Hey, if you want to navigate in your Samsung Galaxy Watch FE by touching only your bezel, so as you can see here, I can change the brightness by only moving my finger all around the bezel. So to do this, you will have to just go into the settings. There we go. Now you will have to start scrolling and you will have to go into the advanced features. Then you have to go into the touch bezel. Should be available somewhere here, but it's not. So you can also go into the Galaxy wearable application, click on the search and input the touch bezel phrase, or you can also pick it from the recommendation. It will be available in the general settings, and now you can turn it on and off by just tapping on the switcher. And now if you want to scroll down or scroll up, you can just move your finger all around the bezel like this. Take a look. There we go. And that's how it looks. So right now, please subscribe to my channel.